Assalamu alaikum. The session is presented by Peace Pakistan. Today we are going to cover NED University past paper solutions. The portion we are going to cover is mathematics, starting from question number 1. The length of the tangent from the point 3, 4 to circle 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x minus 4y plus 7 equals to 0. The options given to us are these. If you remember the length of the tangent formula and general equation, it is too easy. If you don't know, don't worry, learn it now. Length formula is this and the general equation of circle is this. In order to make this equation similar to general equation, we divide it by 2 so that the coefficients become similar, x square and y square. Then equation by dividing by 2, it becomes like this. X square plus y square plus 3 upon 2 x minus 2y plus 7 upon 2. After dividing by 2, it is like this. And here 2g equals to 3 upon 2 and 2f equals to minus 2. Now substitute the values in this formula. Here x1 equals to x1 equals to 3 and y1 equals to 4. And 2g equals to 3 upon 2 and 2f is equals to minus 2 and this c equals to 7 upon 2. By substituting this, we got this and the answer we got is 5. Now we will move towards second question, that is, how many different words can be formed letter daughter? The option given to us are these. Here are the options, we don't know the answer. Now just quickly count the alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here there are 8 alphabets. Remember this, do not count similar word twice. Similar alphabet twice. Here are simply 8 alphabets. Then we got the factorial. Here will be the answer and its answer will be 40320. 40320. Now we'll move towards the third question, that is, how many arrangement of the word daughter are there if none of the vowel can never be together? The option given are these. And now what is this? Here there are 2 vowels and there is total 3 vowels. Remove 3 vowels, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. There are 5 combinations that we can have an alphabet without any vowel. 5 factorial. Now we have 3 words, vowels too. Now what we can do is we can have this here vowel, here can vowel, and here, and here, here, and here. So we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here no arrangement matters, so we can have a permutation, that is 6 permutation 3. Then it will be 6 permutation 3. Our answer will be 14400. Here answer. Now moving towards the fourth question, that is, differentiate 1 upon 3 minus 4x whole square. Now if you remember the formulas of differentiation, it is very much easy for you to solve this problem. If you don't remember the formulas, don't worry, learn now. Options given are these. Now here are, we don't know the answer. Okay, now we will move. Then it can be written like this, and now this, and we will here. There is derivative of 3 minus 4x. Now first we will derive the power, that is minus 2 into 3 minus 4x whole power minus 2, and in derivative formulas, we add minus 1 over powers, then we will derivate like this 3 minus 4x. The derivative of 3 minus 4x is minus 4, then it will be minus into minus is 8, and 3 minus 4x over whole power minus 3. It can be also written like 8 upon 3 minus 4x power whole power 3. Then we can have this one is the correct answer. Now we will move towards fifth question, that is like omega cube into omega 5 into omega 9 into omega 11 into omega 19. This is very much long answer. We will have two methods for this, the long method and the short method. We will go towards first method, that is long method, that is omega cube equals to 1 and omega 5 equals to omega cube into omega square, that is equals to 1 into omega square, that is omega square. Omega cube, omega 9 equals to omega cube whole cube, that is equals to 1, and omega 11 equals to omega cube into power 9 into omega square equals to 3, that is omega cube will be like omega 9 into omega square, that is omega 11, that will like omega square into 1 multiplied by omega square, that is omega square, and omega 19 equals to omega cube into whole power omega cube equal to whole power, that is 6 into omega, then will be omega cube is equal to 1, omega cube is 1, 1 power 6 is 1, and into multiply omega. Now we will have left with omega square into omega square into omega, that is equal to omega power 5. Since we know that omega power 5 is equal to omega square, we got the answer omega square. Now there is an alternate method, that is add this power 3, 5, 9, 11 and 19, add these powers, then we will got 47. Now divided by 3, and 3 ones are 3, we will got 1 over here, 3 1 3 5 is 15, and we will 3 5 is 15, that is, yeah, here we have left with 2. We have powered this is our remainder, is our power, and we will got the answer. And now we will see the option that we have seen. Here is the option. Here we this video is presented by Peace Pakistan Director Saud Ahmed Khavrai of NAD University. If you are looking for past papers of different universities, visit our Facebook page and our Blogspot website. For more videos, subscribe now. And our team members are Masood Salik of Pakistan Institute of Engineering and Applied Sciences. Number 2 is Musama Asad of Jinnah Sindh Medical University. And number 3, Muhammad Asif Khan of NAD University. 4th, Jawad Hassan of LUMS. And 5, Yasin Khan of National Institute of Health, Islamabad. And thank you for watching this video.